In front of me is VIVO iQOO Neo 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to click on Privacy section. Now choose Permission Management over here and tap on one of your apps, like albums. Then click on one of those options. I will go with Location from Don't Allow and apply one of those. While using the app, ask every time or don't allow. I want to pick first option, so when I tap and go back, albums just gained access to my device's location. But you can also go back, click on permissions instead of apps, pick one of those, like for example use camera, tap on one of your apps and apply one of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!